Aha, here we go. Okay, so this isn't white. Where's my webcam? Oh, I hear it now. Huh. There it is. Okay. My webcam's frozen. That's weird. Let me fix that quick. Deactivate. Activate. Aha! Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Let me move that shirt on my bed. Yeah, I know, I just threw it to the other side of my room, but oh well. Okay. Let me turn that up a bit. Where is that outputting to? Lucic. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, it looks so good. These are my audio tracks. Okay. Skip this. Oh, I can't skip. Oh boy, that's not wow. Twitter. You know, I should probably close that. Just close it off. There's nothing dangerous on my Twitter. I was just, yeah, I was surprised if Alliance Tactics would interact. Let's skip a few. There we go. Okay. All right. Now that we've started, let's go into the game. Aha. Okay, so here we are in Amazeing. I have not gotten the testing build out because of a few issues, in case you were wondering. I doubt you were though. Speaking of testing, actually, soon enough, my webcam's frozen again. That's weird. Why does it keep freezing? Eventually I will open up the game to more public testing, although limited. So be sure to stay tuned for that. That's not 60 FPS. Look, I have 60 FPS yet. It's not 60 FPS. Whatever, I'll just do highest, I guess. Looks good enough, I guess. Hopefully it doesn't crash again. That'd be disappointing. Okay. Aside from all of that, so we got this here. We got the main menu here. We got all these trophies with the wrong materials. We won't worry about that today, because today we're just gonna do something nice and simple-ish. So we're gonna open up this level right here. Actually, no, first I need to do a little fix on this level. Once the game loads. No, actually, yeah, this level. Okay. Oh, why is it so dark? It's weird. So yeah, this here, this wasn't working right. Where do I put this? I guess right there. Actually, I don't need that. In the front, at least. Restream chat. Let me put it home. I'll keep it up. Whatever. That's interesting. I have 2 viewers, but I don't know where the second viewer is. I know that that viewer from Twitch is my pop probably or something like that. But hello, other viewer watching from some other service or something. Okay, that looks correct. I'm not sure why, because in the what I'm doing right now is trying to see if everything's working, everything's like correct. Because during the test, while I was testing out the pre-build, the build, actually that was 2 weeks ago when I last live streamed the development build, there was no way to get to this level from this one here. So I'm not, it's probably just a way that I built it or whatever. We won't worry about that though. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick little overview of this somewhat complicated and quite different actually level. So this is the halfway point pretty much, and my camera crashed again. That's weird. Deactivate. Activate. There we go. Okay. I don't know why it keeps happening. I mean, I did switch cameras actually. I am going to be hopefully moving to a college dorm next week if everything goes according to plan. So it's a little pre-preparation. I got the my webcam back. I have used this webcam before, so it's like nothing new. Although it is a much wider lens than the other camera I was using, which is more like a home video camera. Anyways, so here we are. This is the level, the halfway point. So starting off, it's pretty actually kind of a basic little maze here. It's long, so you're gonna have to sprint around to collect the items, but it's not like, you know, anything super difficult. And then you get past this red wall here, and it's a little bit more challenging. You might adjust it so it's a bit easier, more bit easier to follow or something like that. But essentially, you're gonna get to this area right here. Now that I think of it, actually, this area was there was some. Wait a second, what's that doing here? Like that? What the heck? Huh? Oh. That's probably what happened last time. So green switch to cube. What? Why is this invisible? Okay, maybe I should replace that. So map assets switches. Green switch cube? Yeah, okay. I did some adjustments, so that's probably why this is like this. And then undestructible wall switch 6, blah. That one right there. Okay. Alright, so yeah. Nothing to worry about there. Okay. So after you saw this sort of little puzzle. Over here, there's going to be a little bit of cube stacking to pretty much create a staircase. You've already been introduced to these wonderful physics objects in the previous level, so now we will be taking a step further in this level here. And it will go even further, reinforcing on the concepts that you previously have learned. So anyways, we go to here, and this is actually a parkouring section. Quite different from the whole idea of a maze, but it might be a bit rough, so I'll probably have to smooth out some of the areas. But what is important about this is if you didn't go onto the secret part on the last level, it will introduce you to these new blocks here. This new type of wall, that's what I'm calling them, the creator wall, which will essentially build a bridge or build like a wall or whatever you need, right where you see all the invisible blocks, pretty much. So yeah, in order to do that, you need to activate this switch over here. That'll activate the bridge. You walk across the bridge. You'll find another ball or ammo around here. There's those are just lights. Those aren't. There's an ammo right there, and I think that might be the only one actually. Whatever. Anyways, what? Why does the camera keep going offline? What is this? I don't get it. What's going on? It happened again. Okay, that's weird. So my mic still working? Hold on. Hello, hello, hello? Hello? Okay, yeah, it's working. Why the camera? Deactivate. Activate. Come on. Okay, let me try a different USB port. Hold on. Okay. I don't think it's gonna work. Well, let's see. Got the webcam listed right there. Now let's see. Elgato. Hello? Anything? Oh! Aha! Alright. Webcam is back again. Okay, as I was saying. Break that wall down. Now the next part is quite interesting, really. You need to get up this platform, up this little cliff side here, by finding cubes in this little walled off area of the maze. So there's like a cube right there. There's quite a few cubes, and it's actually it's probably the tightest part of the maze that I've made so far. You might feel a bit claustrophobic or whatnot, but yeah. And that's actually where we left off. So that's where we are going to be working next. Let's do that. Okay. Let's see here. So we're going to landscape this time, not we usually do the okay. We usually do brush editing mode, but I'm not working with any brushes right now, so what's this music playing? Sounds like Hawken. It is Hawken. Wow. Skip that. I don't want to listen to that one. Video camera maybe embedded. There we go. Alright. Nice and chill. Okay, so for this next part of the maze, I don't know. The original idea was that this is like a whole tiered system where you start off here, you look at what you're gonna go up to next, you walk around up to here, and then you're at the next part right there, and you were just there before. And then you need to make a little staircase right there, you hop up, and then you're at the next part. And now for the next part, you know what, let's do something a little bit different. I'm going to make a target range or something like that. So sculpt. This is quite different actually. Ooh, radius. It's not that different actually when I'm saying. It's just that it looks different. So yeah, that's a sculpting tool pretty much in our Unreal Engine. Pretty simple, and then you press and hold shift to have it go down as well. But we'll actually be using flatten, where we let's see here, what is it? Flattens an area, control, there we go, flatten. To use a flatten tool, simply hold on the control key and use the mouse button to flatten the area under the mesh. So the way to use the flattening tool, you just click somewhere and then it just flattens, just like that. Easy peasy. So we're going to be using, this area right here. I'm going to create a little section to walk around and whatnot. Let's do, actually wait. What should we do? Let's actually just flatten this area out quite a lot. Quite a lot, quite a lot, a lot, a lot. There we go. Lots and lots and lots. Oh, what's that black area? Weaken the strength a bit, increase the fallout. I want more smooth edges. That look. Oh, that's a cube. Yeah, that would also explain that cube right there. But anyways, yeah, I can smooth that out later, so we don't worry too much about that. Anyways, cut into the cliffside, just like that. It's not a cliff, but whatever. Okay, so now let's smooth out a bit. Ooh, that's a lot of smoothing. So top smoothing, that's better. Oh, that also kind of lowers the wall a bit. That looks fine. There we go. Alright. So we got ourselves a little shooting range, almost. Let's see here. Let's do a little bit of sculpting here. There we go. I like the material on this. It looks much shinier and like chrome. More chromy than I thought. Yeah, but it's also helped out a lot with the nice sunset view that I got on the maze. This one in particular, anyways. Block that area off a bit. Let's raise this actually. There we go. Alright, flatten. Let's go smaller flatten tool. There we go. Just gonna create another little platform right there. Another step to step up onto. Okay, so for this firing range we got here, what I'm gonna do, we're going to take this unbreakable wall component. No, we're not gonna take that. That's the wrong one. We're gonna take this. We're gonna go back into the select mode here. We're gonna move. What? We're gonna move that? Okay. That was weird. We're gonna move that over, move it down, move it that way, move it a bit more that way. Increase the height a bit, increase the width. On the ground. There we go. Alright, so now we're gonna make a nice big, let's see here. Let's do a creator wall component here. No, wait, no. We will do, let's make a ramp actually. So you can make a ramp with the landscape tool. Let's see here. Which one? Sculpt. That's right. Sculpt. Yep. Paint. Paint. I never really use the paint tool actually. I don't design. I don't use materials that I like support or whatnot. So, all right. Using the ramp tool, pretty easy. Just click one spot where you want to place the ramp, and then you find another spot like right here. Then you can adjust the width. So we're gonna go with kind of a bit small width with a something like that for the slide fall off, and then you just add ramp, and ta-da! Now there's a nice ramp. So now we're gonna do a little bit more sculpting here. Make sure that nobody can cheat by walking around or anything like that. There we go. That looks nice. Smooth this out a bit. Smooth. Smooth out the ramp. Make it look a little more natural rather than just like a flat surface that I put in with magic. Alright. Smooth that out too. Let's just do a little bit of flattening so that it looks like you can't go that way or something. And smooth it out a bit more. Right there. Just in case I'm going to make another ramp. There we go. Okay. Alright, that... I think that should be good. Okay, now... for this, sort of... Now I'm gonna create a new object. Actually, I'm not gonna we'll do it that way. So create a new blueprint, new actor. So target. And then let's create a little target. So I'm thinking maybe like a cylinder. We shrink the cylinder, not that way, not like that. There we go. Oh boy. Shrink it, shrink. There we go. 2. Sure, that works. And then we rotate it to be like that. Select that and then scale it a bit more. Like that, okay. And then the material, let's see here. Material, where's material? There we go, materials. And ink that. That was something I was testing before. I don't think we're gonna use it or anything like that. Wall types, here we go. So we're gonna put that in. So now it's flashing red and white. Let's, I think it actually already has emissive. Yeah, it does. Okay. Let's add a light, actually. So it's a little more noticeable. Where's the lights? What light? There we go. So glad I renamed it R. Target. Okay. Why did it rotate? No, don't rotate. Undo that. Okay. Now I'm going to be applying a little rotation. Relative rotation. It will be rotating it in the Y direction. Just do like 1 or something. There. Compile. Save. And then event hit. Yeah, sure, that will work. So other component, cast to first. Nope, wrong one. Person projectile. And then let's add a variable. I'll just activate and make it a what the heck? Blueprint wall SC1s? What? I don't know what that is, but we'll just do a which one is it? Where's the parent? It's not wall component, I don't think. I think it's destructible wall. That's what it is. Destructible wall. That's not right. That's delete that. Delete. There we go. Oh, wrong one. Oops, didn't see that. What's the function? Call function. I think just destroy. No, I think it's force destroy. For this. Force destroy. There we go. Alright. One more thing. I'm going to turn off shadows for this so I can actually see it. Cast shadow off. Compile. Alright, so let's see how it goes. So first off, we're going to need some ammunition. We're going to place it somewhere where you don't have to go exploring. Just like right there, pretty much. Alright, second, we're going to need the target. We're going to place the target way up here. Like right there. Now let's change the light on the target to red. Red. There we go. Get bright to like that much bright. Let's try that. And okay, I think that looks fine. Let's go back to select mode. We're gonna do some positioning here. No, oh, oops. I don't know why did that? That's weird. Okay. can't see the target, but so we're gonna move it a little back here, and then we're gonna actually make it big, so it's easy to hit, because this isn't supposed to be like a difficult task. Hold on. We're not quite done yet, so we need to expose that on spawn. And we're gonna add a particle system. Give it an explosion. Do we have like a blue explosion or something? What's that? Oh, I don't like that. What's that? Whatever that is, it didn't load there. Focus. Whoa. That's kind of cool. Oh, that's like an explosion. Let's see here. Spin ice. What about that moving spin fire charge before ice? Does that exist? These are all assets from some old game that Epic used to make and then they abandoned. But you can use them. They're free on the Epic store for Unreal Engine. So yeah, I'm using them. And they're pretty cool actually. Let's use that. I like that. Turn off auto activate, and then we'll go into here. Actually, I think it's is it play. No. ACT IVT. There we go. Compile. Alright. Welcome still working? Yeah. It is. Okay. Let's see here. So now I think we're ready to test. So object activate will add undestructible wall 7 into this list of one item. And play from current camera location. Save data. Ooh, what the heck? Nah, it's fine. It's just see. All fine. Alright, there's the game. And it did not save from position. Okay, we're gonna have to wait for this to load, otherwise it's not gonna be a fun experience. Because everything's untextured. Well, not everything. I mean, that's not untextured. Kind of. It actually looks kind of like it is untextured. You know, eventually I will redo this settings UI, so it's first off it fits, and second off it's easier to use and whatnot. Anyways, no, could I solve this before we know that we finished? So I know it's quick game. Go into here, do selected viewport instead. Click now, we're gonna stop brightness. Stop Stop. There we go. Alright, and we're gonna go back to play. Give this and click yes. Ta-da, and it's all dark because none of the lights loaded, so we'll have to wait for those 2,000 shaders to compile. Anyways, in the meantime, we're gonna test to see if we can skip this part, and it looks like we can't. Unless you're smart. So, it might be possible. Considering there's like this thing right here, and you can probably, do that. Actually, you know what? That's probably going to be a pretty easy fix to do, preventing you from building a staircase if you even could do that. Okay, one thing to note that oh boy. Oh, that's lagging. The target should be spinning right now. I guess it's not because everything's still loading in, so we'll just wait a bit for stuff to load in. As we look at the cubes breaking in pieces over the wonderful sunset. Wow, that actually looks kind of nice. It's like birds flying away, except it's remnants of an alien creature that has lived here. Oh my god, there's so many. Jeez. What the heck? Ta-da! Okay. Anyways, big giant red circle thing isn't spinning around, so that's a problem. Also, we might not... That might be too far to actually shoot, so... no, it doesn't look like it is. We just need to keep trying. Maybe jump up and... There you go. Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't destroy it. That might be a good idea. And there, now we're at the next part. Then in the future, we're gonna have a little bit more. We're gonna be taking the idea to the next level. But now I need to spin around constantly. So this should have done it. Adding delta rotation to the relative instead. Let's do world rotation instead. I think that will do it instead. Delete that. Do Y1. Compile. Okay, and we're gonna have to do what? Visible. There we go. That probably should. Okay, now, so I was saying, if you do solve this part here, you could technically just jump over the fence and then finish without going through the entire level. And I will change that right now with a simple fix. Take this right here, put that there. Let's move it back there. Move it into the wall. Increase the width. And boom, now you cannot go through there without destroying this. Just like that. Also, I'm gonna make this target a bit bigger because it's kinda hard to hit. Alright, so there we go. Let's see how this goes. Oh, interesting. It's spinning the wrong way. So apparently it's not Y1, it's, I think it's Z1. 0. Let's also make it. Yeah, now I have Y1 as well. Why not, right? I know, that doesn't make sense. Why would it be Y1? World rotation. So it was rotate. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Z. Let's make it spin a bit fast. On all axes, why not, right? Just like that. Let's see how that looks. After all, it's not a coin, it's a target that you shoot at, so. That's quite. I think that's a bit. Yeah, that's a bit too much, actually. Looks nice when you destroy it, at least. Let's make the particle system bigger. Make it like 5 or something. Can I play it? No, I can't. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna be in the wrong spot. But, you know, I guess this will be a good demonstration of why you can't jump over this. Ha 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 ha. Okay. I want to move the camera. There we go. Okay. That's better. Let's move the ammo back to here where you can see it. And this print just shoot at the target just like that. Oh yeah, that's a better explosion. So move it right there. Right there, right there. Yep, just like that. Set checkpoint too. Let's check my Discord. Announcements, wow. Amazing. Alright. So now, when you pick up the wonderful ammo right there, oh wow, you see that giant red spinning target. Yeah, what happens if I shoot at it? Oh wow, wow, that's a, maybe that's a bit too big. Well, I don't know. If I reset, oh no, that didn't work. Why did that not work? Because it works a bit differently. Let's just modify this, I guess, add a target. Add a variable. Oh boy, set checkpoint. Checkpoint. There we go. I was clicking on that. Didn't mean to do that. Whatever. Boolean. No, not an array of boolean. It's just a single boolean. Now let's do this after. Just make it easier on me. Okay, so if that checkpoint is true, then we want to get player character cast to first person character. Give us a peer cast. Cast what? Checkpoint. There we go. True. All right. Pick up the ammo. Shoot at the that at the target. Miss. Retry. Boom. The checkpoint didn't move. Ah, I know why, because I'm an idiot. It's not on, that's why it didn't move. Now, okay, now I didn't move. Because still an idiot. Dumb. Why am I making games? There we go. Okay, now it should move. No, this is just normal programming at this point. All these errors, not that cube, what the heck. There we go. And that's the checkpoint. I should rework the checkpoint. It's kind of basic. I mean, it gets a point through. That's where you were last alive. And I just reset. Let's do another thing. Let's do a switch. Nope, let's do it. That's all switch. It's a select. Is it a select? Sequence, that's what it's called. It's been a while. Then 0, then 1. There we go. Make it more specific. True. Put that there, and then one more sequence pin. Branch. New. I think it's remove. Yeah, it's remove ammo. It's not remove ammo. Never mind. Wait. No, I think it is remove. No, I know why. Let's leave that there. Wait, okay. I'm gonna do it this way. This wasn't spawn. Did I make an ammo resettable? Hold on. Just some stuff that I did a long time ago. And I might have forgotten about. Yeah. Now how do I add this in? There we go. Aha. This was something old that I made a while ago to try to help me out, but I never really used it, but then I guess I am using it, so we'll see. Oh shit about that. Actually, I'm gonna edit that function because I was getting an error before. No, I shouldn't be getting it. Wait, what? Oh, no, that makes sense. Okay, never mind. That's not needed. Okay, so all this, we don't need that anymore. No, we still need that. We don't need this. No. We won't need that. Yeah. Okay. Delete, and compile. We should have it. Variable reset shop file is exposed on small, but not. Oh, that's not in use. So we're gonna delete that and delete that. Compile. Go to here. I think that should be exposed. It's not exposed. Okay. Wasn't that weird? What is this? Can I close that? Can I not edit the... Oh, I can edit it right there. Okay. Yes. Oh, and I have checkpoint too. Oh, that's nice. Wow. Sometimes I even amaze myself. Okay. So now let's test this out. Let's first get these giant cubes out of here. Out of the ground, that is. There we go. That should be fine. Okay. So got that giant target thing there. We just shoot that down. Boom. Checkpoint didn't move. Because I need to call it a function. So call function reset. Ta-da! And then we get the shot. Got one shot, one chance, one opportunity. What? Click play. And there you go. Now we just shoot there, we shoot that there. We collect that because we missed that shot. Alright, we just keep trying and boom, right there. We get a shot got reset and one got reset and we just continue on moving through the rest of the maze. Okay. How long have we been streaming for? I think I'm gonna wrap it up maybe because I think we got some good progress here today. Let's see here. Where does it tell the time? It tells the time right there. Alright. So there you have it. And we got what is going to shape the next part of the game. I'm going to quickly show off this part because I talked about it, but I didn't really do anything about it. So anyways, as I said, the point of this area is to create a staircase to get up there. So you need to walk around here, and you need to find all these green cubes that are hidden throughout this part of the maze. So there's one right there. You can just shoot that, and alright, that didn't work. We're gonna try that again. So there we go. So we just grab this cube, we walk all the way over here. You see that bar right there? It didn't got reset, so you just keep reusing that every single time. Pass through. So let's just go back through here. It looks like around here we got another cube. That's nice. Kinda starting to lose my way though. It's kind of unfortunate. Luckily though, there should be some markers around here, so that will help us out quite a bit if I can find them, that is. So I think markers not around here. Okay, that's a dead end. Let's go continue here. That's a marker right there. We're gonna keep that marker there though, because we need to know which way to go out. Maybe we should add one more marker on this first little part. Okay, so we go around here. Oh, there's another cube. Why are the cubes so glitchy like this? I don't understand. The code that I have for the cubes aren't like that. Maybe I should do like a little more reworking. I did rework them before. They no longer, you know, fall off or anything like that, but you can't like, you know, stick them halfway through a wall and then they will glitch the ground. That doesn't work anymore. Okay, there's another marker and another cube. Yeah, looks like I should have another marker. Anyways, place that there. Yeah, the marker did kind of get placed on top of the cube because that's how the markers work. Let's see here. Do we have enough cubes to build a staircase? Oh boy. I think, yeah, we do. There are exactly enough cubes to build the staircase. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. I didn't think of this. No, actually, it's fine. Bit sloppy, but I guess I should raise where you drag the cubes up a bit so that it's a bit easier. Also, I'm pushing around the cubes manually. You can do that, I guess, but I don't know. Oh boy. Oh boy. That didn't work out. Let's try that again. Go sideways up. Sideways. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, this whole cube stacking thing is kind of difficult to do with the way I redid the cubes recently. Oh my gosh, and that cube just fell again. Yeah, shoot. We'll get there eventually, don't worry. Let me just stand up here, stand up here. This will not be as hard as it looks come the final game. I will definitely look into this and rework the cubes, physics. Alright, and there we have it. So just like that. You build a nice little staircase and then you can move on to the next part of the maze. If you reset, the staircase goes away. So I'm probably gonna add a checkpoint system here as well. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm gonna create a git commit and then call it a night, I guess. Submit to source control. Let me transition to the end. There we go. Transition. Alright. There we go. So if you're watching, or if you're watching the replay, whatnot, whatever, I live stream this every Sunday. I also live stream every Friday. Just some game in general. Whatever, I'm feeling. Usually like Overwatch with other people, but, I do other things. Might stream on Saturdays. I haven't done that recently. Next week, however, I will not be live streaming probably because I'll be busy. But yeah. Level 5 progress. And probably more stuff. Okay. Submit. And let me open up GitHub. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my Discord in the description and other stuff going on, fun thing, say hello. I mean, my Discord might be a sad and depressing place, but I can guarantee you that it's gonna be more interesting than you may initially think. If you actually make it active. Discord's only as strong as the people who use it. Anyways, so let me push to origin. That's all this stuff, all these changes, 300 plus changes. Why aren't they up? It's weird. Is it still running the game? No. Yes. Source controls are updated. Okay. Close that. Save selected. Okay. See you all in the next stream. Goodbye. Fade to black. Goodbye.